So guys, for our brown stew chicken today, we have some chicken here that we've chopped up. I've seasoned it with some powdered seasoning, some salt and pepper, some pimento seeds, some grated garlic, and some sweet pepper. And then we're going to begin our cooking process. Guys, it's Mel in the kitchen again, and today we'll be doing stew chicken. So here I have my chicken that I've seasoned overnight with some salt, some pepper, some powdered seasoning, some pimento seeds, some grated garlic, and some sweet pepper, the good seeds of chicken here. So, and now we're going to begin our cooking process. So guys, I have my brown stew chicken here. I've seasoned with some browning. There it is. Chicken overnight, add my browning. I just took it out and add some browning and some more seasonings. I seasoned some, also add some scallion and thyme as well, and garlic. So there you have it. Now we're gonna fry this brown stew chicken. So guys, in a pot here, I don't need to heat. So guys, in our pot heated like this, I'm gonna add my butter and all that milk. Okay guys, I've just added my butter and I added some garlic, some scallion. I'm gonna switch it around a little to fry. Then I'm gonna add my brown stew chicken to the pot. I'm gonna allow this to cook. You have to just continue stirring it so it don't stick. You want it to fry properly on both sides, so we're gonna allow it to fry and then we'll come back and check on it. Just allow it to fry on both sides, we'll come back and check on it. Good, thank you. We're gonna allow that to cook down for about 10, 15, 20 minutes, and then we'll come back. Here you have it guys. Added some thyme to it. We're gonna allow it to cook. Cover it and allow it to cook. Just stir it a bit. So guys, I got a bowl here. I'm gonna make some cornmeal dumpling. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of flour. I wanna Just to say what's happening, that's my dumpling being boiled in my pot with my sweet potato. But they're almost finished. Just want to let them boil until we're ready. Blow enough minute, please. 1, 2, 3. Woo! There I have my brown stew chicken. Brown stew jerk chicken. It's almost finished. Just want to allow it to dry down some more so we can get some sauce. But guys, that's it for now, and I'll show you when we're at our presentation section. Thank you all for tuning in. Bam. Oh, this looks so yummy. So guys, this is our breakfast dish for today. We have our brown stew, jerk chicken, our boiled cornmeal dumpling and sweet potatoes, some fry festival. I'm going to eat it with some vegetables, so we do sliced tomato.